Dental restoration. Aesthetics are increasingly important in any modern dental restorative practice, since appearance it is synonymous with a natural appearance and harmonious alignment of the teeth. Aesthetic dentistry creates, reproduces, copies, and harmonizes teeth individually and in conjunction with previous restorations to achieve a beautiful and expressive smile. A nice smile makes many people feel more confident. What is the difference between restorative and cosmetic dentistry? The main difference lies in the objective of each approach. Restorative dentistry focuses on improving function and oral health, while cosmetic dentistry focuses on improving the appearance of your smile. Some of the procedures related to this specialty are insertions or inlays, implants, veneers, dentures, full or partial, porcelain crowns, bridges, root canal treatment, fillings. Cosmetic dentistry is responsible for fixing one's smile and the appearance of the teeth or gums. The artistry involved can achieve a beautiful smile, regardless of the technical procedures needed to obtain it. Some cosmetic procedures are whitening, porcelain veneers, crowns, bridges, composite bonding, dental implants, straightening teeth, fixing colored, stained teeth, aligners. When is a cosmetic or restoration procedure required? A dental specialist will determine what is required according to the patient's needs. Restorative and cosmetic dentistry overlap in some cases. What are the advantages of restorative dentistry? Restoring oral health, improving chewing function, eliminating tooth pain, reducing the risk of future dental problems, improving the appearance of your smile, preserving bone density. Thank you very much for what you have explained. If you have any questions about this or other topics, you can contact us at Channel Island Family Dental as well as our Facebook page. We look forward to your visit, and we will make a timely diagnosis. Our dentists in Oxnard, St. Paul Adventure, Newbury Park, and Port Hueneme will be able to guide you towards the best treatment to take care of your health and give you back your best smile.